Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing amazing on that. Today I brought this DJI Mini 4 Pro. I want to kind of talk to you guys about best drone you can use if you're doing a travel vlog or lifestyle vlog, because this drone is really good. Why it's good, I will tell you in a bit. Let's say, for example, you're in a new country. Let's say you travel to all these exotic countries, like for example, Maldives or Mauritius. You really want to introduce the country. This drone is really good. It's affordable drone that's actually shoots in vertical mode. So for example, if you want to shoot, do your introduction first, like get some backdrops, like city view, beach views. This drone can actually do that. At the same time, when you finish doing your shots, you can also take some good HD photographs. And then once you've done that, guess what? It actually have a vertical mode that you could actually shoot for Instagram or Facebook, etc. Look, let me get the gimbal guide out. So you can see the camera, right? This camera actually shooting vertical. So it flip vertical and horizontal. How amazing. It's quite windy today, but I just want to take a few seconds to show you guys what amazing footage this drone can do. I hope you enjoyed this quick short video of this beautiful DJI Mini 4 Pro. What do you think? What do you think of the footage, guys? This footage you just saw, this is raw footage. I didn't do any color grade because I want to show you guys what this DJI can do. You can also shoot in D-Log. D-Log meaning you can actually download like loot from a DJI website and probably do a bit of color grading to get like a proper match colors from the drone. But this is amazing. I know a lot of people can get this with the RC, the normal RC, but this is RC2. The benefit of this is you don't have to use your phone. This is already connected. So once you connect it, I believe with the antenna, it goes very far. DJI said it can go up to 10 kilometers, but I haven't tried it yet. But I know it's really good. It's very windy today, but I know it's really good. The only thing I'm quite scared of this drone is very fast. It's crazily fast. Like from here to here, like you get there within a few seconds. It's unbelievably fast. Another thing is you can also use this drone if you, let's say, you're in all these cinematic locations where you want to actually show people the area. You can actually track your car. For example, if let's say you hire a car and you want to drive through all these gorgeous sceneries, all you have to do is set the camera, circle it, enable the active track. There you go. You start driving, the drone will follow you. You can also do the same. So for example, let's say I want to get all the way down there. All I have to do is circle myself on the screen, enable it, start recording, then just walk. And also when I get there, if I want to land the drone there, all I have to do is enable, like update my home point to the controller. It's always good to use the controller as your home point, because if you do not, the home point, the drone will think you're still here. The drone will return back to where you took off. So yeah, so guys, it's actually a very good drone to travel with. And I know many people struggling to buy a drone to travel, but I'm telling you today, this is the best drone. And you know what's the mistake I made as a person is my choice. I purchased the drone without the combo. So what I mean the combo is the combo comes with extra 2 batteries and also a charging hub and the propellers and also a bit of stuff. But because I've been flying the drone for a few weeks now, and I know I made a mistake by not buying the combo. Why? I made a mistake because the battery runs so fast. So let's say, let me give you a sample why I think I made a mistake. Let's say I traveled to Ghana, my country, like country of birth. Let's say I've traveled to Ghana and I'm in the mountains. I'm doing the shots where I know getting back to home will take me about 6 hours. Guys, having the extra 2 batteries allow you to charge while you're driving. While you're shooting, the other is charging, because I believe with the extra batteries, it takes about 1 hour, 45 minutes to charge it. So you can imagine having the 2 extra batteries is a bonus. So if you have the spare money, guys, make sure you get a combo. It's just my idea. You might decide not to buy the combo, but the mistake I made was not buying the combo. Now, because I'm traveling again, I have to buy the bits. Like, I'll probably buy the extra batteries and the charging hub, because I'll be doing amazing content with this beautiful DJI Mini 4 Pro. Guys, if you want to check the link, if you want to check how much it costs, there's a link in the description. You can also purchase. If you do purchase, I get a bit of kickback, so it just helped me support, you know, what we do. So yeah, so please, thank you so much. If you think this drone will make you, I mean, if this video kind of make you decide what you want to buy, please do let me know. I own other drones. I do own the DJI Mini SE. I have the Neo. Neo is really good if you just want to do like jogging and follow you and all those bits and bobs. It does, but this is kind of like a semi-professional drone which can do the job for you. For example, now, you know, I've been shooting for Instagram, TikTok without any problem, because all I have to do is switch it to vertical mode, shoot my content, edit it, put a bit of title, guys, bam, straight onto the gram. So thank you so much. If you did enjoy this amazing video of DJI, if you did enjoy this amazing DJI Mini 4 Pro video, please consider liking the video. And also, let me tell you what I'm shooting this video. I'm using DJI Action 5 Pro with a DJI Mic 2. You can see the range is quite far, right? This DJI Mic 2 is pretty amazing. Look where I'm standing right now. It's really, really windy. And you can still hear me, right? This is how amazing these small gadgets can actually do. You know, I fall in love with DJI products. You know, this video is not sponsored, but, you know, I just thought I'd share with you the gadgets I use. So thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this amazing video. If it's quite good for you and making you buy this beautiful drone, go for it. You won't regret it. You'll enjoy it. You enjoy, you'll learn. Burn it away, you learn so much, because this will get you out to create amazing content. The weather is really, really bad today. I was going to get some amazing shots of this place, but I don't want to lose my drone, so I'll definitely see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now. From DJI Mini 4 Pro and the RC2 and the DJI 5 Pro there, Action 5 Pro, and the Mic 2 right here. So thank you so much. I'll definitely see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.